maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nagpunta for braving the storm. Thank you so much for being here. It means a lot to all of us. We all know how challenging movie industry is today. So we really appreciate all your efforts of being here and helping us promote a very beautiful project. Actually, it is an alternative narrative horror film. Ibig sabihin ay siya, kumbaga parang maraming mga layers yung story namin. Hindi siya yung straightforward ng pelikula. Pero para sa akin, it's a very heartwarming film about family, panganay, na nagmamahal sa punsong kapatid, lahat ay gagawin. So, kahit horror siya, it's very relatable. It's a movie for everyone. Kaya, dapat po talagang panoorin ng lahat. So, July 30 po! Ang sinema sa July. Thank you.